What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is just a short video guys, but I want to say if you're new over here, a warm welcome to you. Thanks to my old subscribers for tuning in also, and just about anybody who comes across this video, a warm welcome to you guys. Yes guys, so today I'm in the kitchen guys, and I'm doing nothing but making some fruits and vegetable juice, and this is good for babies who don't want to consume their fruits or vegetable. I don't want my little one to hear me here. Yes baby, because this is a trick for him guys. I'm just giving away the secret. Yes baby, yes. So yes guys, let me just introduce you guys to what I have in my blender here. Yeah, anyways, he was asking me what am I doing, if I'm making juice for him, but yes it is. Yeah guys, so but I can't let him know guys that I have, you know, vegetables in it because he don't want to eat it. Yeah, so I have in my blender here, I have some carrots, I have spinach, I have avocado, I have mango, I have strawberry, and what I have again, I think that is just about it guys. And I have some low-fat yogurt here, I'm gonna put in it as well. Yes, so just go ahead and blend these all together guys. I'll come back to you guys with the result. Yeah, because we all know guys, a lot of kids don't want to eat their veggies. Yeah, some don't even want to eat fruits as well, but you as parents can do the hacks for them, you know. Just nice it up and they will consume it. Okay, just stay tuned guys, I'm coming right back when I'm finished. So I'm gonna use a little bit of water as well too guys. I'm gonna leave out the water, it's a must. You're welcome. This is the outcome guys. Remember, if you like this video guys, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and share me out if you can.